everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you never miss our latest tech reviews and software tips. Today, we're taking a closer look at IObit Uninstaller 15 Pro, a powerful tool designed to help you completely remove unwanted programs, stubborn software, and leftover files from your Windows PC. As time goes on, our computers often get cluttered with unused applications, broken installs, or programs that simply refuse to uninstall properly. This is where IObit Uninstaller 15 Pro really shines. With its advanced uninstall engine, IObit Uninstaller goes far beyond the standard Windows uninstaller. It removes not only the main program, but also cleans up leftover files, folders, and registry entries that are usually left behind and slow down your system. One of the standout features is Force Uninstall, which allows you to remove stubborn or corrupted programs that won't uninstall normally. This is extremely useful when dealing with problematic software or incomplete installations. IObit Uninstaller 15 Pro also helps improve your system security and performance by detecting and removing browser extensions, toolbars, and plugins that may be unnecessary or potentially harmful. You can manage extensions across popular browsers easily, all in one place. Another great feature is Batch Uninstall, which lets you remove multiple programs at once, saving you time and effort. Plus, the software keeps your PC clean by automatically scanning and removing leftovers after every uninstall. Overall, IObit Uninstaller 15 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a cleaner, faster, and more secure Windows system. It's simple to use, powerful, and ideal for both beginners and advanced users. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions or experiences with IObit Uninstaller. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more tech reviews, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.